How to verify YouTube account in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right now. So first of all, click on your profile picture and then go to settings, and then here you see channel status and features. After zooming in, click on this, and now you will send here as you can see, and then click on the feature eligibility, and then click on this, and that here you can see the verify your phone number. Then tap on this, and this new window opens, and now you can verify your phone number by typing your phone number and code, verification code sent to your mobile, your device, and then you can tap on it and you can verify it. So that's basically it, and that's the video. So if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and comment it if it worked. Have a good day.